Hello everybody, welcome back to Gradual Financial Freedom. My name is James and this is going to be our 5th episode of the sector breakdown of the 400 different stocks that I've found so far. Today we're going to be going over the financial sector. Now I do want to state before I go any further that I will be putting a link below to the last video in this list, and then also I will be putting an e-card here for the entire playlist. Now real quickly, let's go over our stock sectors. As you can see here, we have the defensive stocks of healthcare, utility, and consumer staples, the cyclical stocks of technology, financial, consumer discretionary, base materials, real estate, communication, industrial, and energy. We're going to be going over to the financial sector today. These are companies that provide financial services such as banks, credit card companies, and insurance companies. First on the list is New Tech Business Services Corporation, ticker NEWT or NEWT. NEWT is listed as overvalued according to Yahoo Finance, and their short term is down, mid-term up, long-term up. NEWT has currently a 71-cent dividend, but their dividend does fluctuate. They pay the third round of each quarter, that is March, June, September, and December. Currently on TipRanks, no one's watching this stock, so unfortunately I have nothing to go off of. I have just picked it just because of the fact that its operation margin is good and its dividend has been decent and has been in a steady incline the entire time that I've watched it. Next we have Gladstone Capital Corporation, GLAD, and as you can see, Yahoo Finance shows that it's undervalued. They have short-term down, mid-term down, and long-term up. GLAD is a monthly dividend stock and currently right now pays a 7 cent per share. Unfortunately, this is another one where TipRanks is not watching it, so I have no idea where it's going to go. Next we have Whitehorse Financial, ticker WHF. As you can see, Yahoo Finance says that it is also undervalued. Their short term is down, mid term is up, long term is up. Whitehorse Financial currently pays a 35.5 cent dividend. They pay the first round of each quarter, so that is January, April, July, and October. Currently, TipRanks has 2 analysts watching it. They have the low and the high around $14.50. That is up, considering that the stock is still currently at $13.80. Next on the list, we have Monroe Capital Corporation, ticker MRCC. Currently listed as overvalued according to Yahoo Finance. As you can see, the 5-year shows that it is on a downward trend. Short term is listed down, mid-term though, and long-term though are listed as up. MRCC currently pays a 35-cent dividend. They pay the third round of each quarter, which is March, June, September, December. Currently, TipRanks has 2 analysts watching this. As you can see, they have the 12 low, 13 high, so 12.50 medium. And with it being $10.86 per share currently right now, this is probably something we're going to want to watch. These are the current lists that I have for the financial sector. As for the just like the last few videos, if you have been picking the 4 that I have picked into this is what your dividend yield would currently look like. You would have now $2,000 invested if you bought each of those groups. Your dividend yield would be showing as $119.94 with a dividend yield of 6%. Like I said before, I'm not a financial advisor. Please look what I have here, decide what you want to do for yourself, and then go for it. Don't just go off of what a person on YouTube is telling you, hey, this is the stuff I'm picking. These are things I'm currently just watching. Now, onto the entire list. So as you can see, this is the entire list of stocks that I currently have. It's a big list, so good luck on reading it. Actually, I'm just kidding. We're going to go ahead and break it down. I have actually broken it down into the top half and the bottom half of the operating margin. There's a bunch of 100% here. These are all ones that cover multiple markets, like the S&P 500, Vanguard, and so on. They're all under the financial. There's one in particular that I want to mention, and that is ticker VWO. Here we have VWO, and it is the Vanguard Emerging Markets Index. For the past 5 years, it's gone up and down. This is one of the ones I'm currently wanting to watch just because of the fact that it is in the higher area and it's on an upward trend. Currently, this round, it's paying 52 cents, but it is on a fluctuating payment. I went back over 18 different payments and then added them all up, divided by 18. It comes out to an average around 27 cents. It pays the third round of each quarter, so that is March, June, September, and December. In the Vanguard for emerging markets, it is broken down to stocks, as you can see, you have the non-US long and a couple regular US longs. You also have some bonds in it of US, and then you also have cash, as it's got its separation in there. I put it up against the regular established markets of Vanguard. Here you can see that the regulars is up 54% over the 11% for our emerging market, and how it kind of breaks down for each month on who did the best out of those. The only reason why I mentioned the emerging over the established is because the emerging is within my price range while the established is around $200. I put down below a snip of the emerging market with the 20% increase. This is what you would probably be making per round. Now to end it out, this is the bottom half of the operating margin section, and here you see Newt is up a third from the top on my up there, so it is in the lower half, and there are a couple others that look good, but it's just up to you on what you want to do. I'm going to continue putting out the rest of these videos. The holidays are coming up, so it might have a little bit of a spread between when I get the next one out. I'm still going to be shooting for Tuesday, but just in case, please bear with me on that. Other than that, if you liked what you've seen here, please do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and other than that, I wish you the best of luck on your path to gradual financial freedom.